The Line of Key, a mysterious ancient wonder in Greece. Have you ever heard of a giant smiling lion carved into a rock on a peaceful Greek island? Well, if you are a lover of ancient history, hidden gems, or Greek mythology, then you will be amazed by the Line of Key, one of the Greece's most mysterious and lesser known landmarks. Let's take you on a journey to explore this ancient stone sculpture and discover why it continues to attract curious travelers from around the world. The Line of Key, also known as the Stone Line of Key or Key Line statue, it is found on the Greek island of Key, also called Zia. This beautiful island lies in the Cyclades, not far from Athens, and it is famous for its quiet villages, scenic nature trails, and crystal clear beaches. The lion sculpture is located just outside the main town of Ulita and can be reached by a short walking trail through peaceful surroundings. The Line of Key is a huge stone sculpture carved directly into a large rock. It is believed to date back to 6th century BC, making it over 2500 years old. The line is about 9 meters long, and although its exact purpose remains unknown, it's considered a powerful symbol of protection and strength. What makes this line unique is its expression. It appears to be smiling. That's why many visitors call it the smiling Line of Key. The carving style is simple, yet it has a presence that feels both ancient and magical. There are no detailed features, but the large eyes and curved mouth give it a very special charm. Nobody knows for sure why the Line of Key was built, but according to Greek mythology, the Line of Key was once home to a water nymphs who made the island green and fertile. Many believe this lion statue was created to represent that legendary beast. Others think it was meant to guard the island or honor a local myth. Though its true origin is a mystery, it remains a symbol of strength, mystery, and ancient Greek culture. Visiting the Stone Line of Key is a rewarding experience, especially for nature and history lovers. To reach it, you will take a short uphill walk, about 15 to 20 minutes from Yolida, through olive groves and quiet paths. The trail is peaceful and the view is breathtaking. There's no entry fees, no commercial signs, just you and this majestic piece of ancient art. It's a perfect spot for hiking, photography, and simply soaking in the peaceful vibes of Key Island. So here is the question: why should you visit the Line of Key? Number 1, it is one of the oldest surviving lion statues in the world. Number 2, a hidden gem away from tourist crowds. Number 3, it offers a mix of mythology, history, and nature. Number 4, great for a day trip or hiking adventure. Number 5, one of the best free things to do in Key in Greece. So if you ever plan to trip to Greece and want to go beyond the usual tourist spots, make sure to explore the mystical Line of Key. It's quiet, it's ancient, and it is full of stories waiting to be told. Who knows, maybe standing in front of that smiling line, you will feel the energy of a time long forgotten. Let history surprise you, let Key inspires you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical places like this from around the world. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.